Welcome in my channel CAD Mentor. I hope you are all well. Our SolidWorks sketch series has been completed successfully. Today we are going to start 3D modeling in SolidWorks. This will be the first lecture on 3D models. You can see that is a 3D model and that is its 2D drawing. The first thing we have to do is to draw the bottom side of it. First of all, we have to choose the top plane and draw two center lines like that. Now just place the rectangle and make it symmetric with the center lines. And then now we will see the dimensions, which is 120 and 80 millimeter. Just place the dimension on rectangle. Now exit sketch and in features select the extrude boss base option. Now we will see the extrude height, which we can see is 10 millimeter. Just enter 10 millimeter here and we can change the direction of extrude from here. Click on OK. Now you can see in that view 4 into R10, which means that our R10 is applied on all four corners. For that we will select fillet commands from features and click on that edge. Along with that, click on that option and now you can see on all four corners radius 10 is applied successfully. Now we will create these four holes, and for that click on that face, click on sketch and set the view to the normal position. Now we just have to place four circles like that and place two center lines like that. One line is horizontal and one line is vertical. Now we just have to place the CC distance of the circles, but before that make these two circle horizontal and make these two circle vertical and make these two circle horizontal. Now we will place a dimension of 100 millimeter. You can see in that 2D drawing, and 60 millimeter we will apply here. Now just pick the center of the circles and center line and make symmetric, similar for that. Now just pick the center of that circle and center of the circle and make both of them vertical. Now you can see here is written 4 into dia 12, which means that the all of the circles diameter is 12 millimeter. Now we just give 12 millimeter dimension to one circle and select all of the circles and give them a relation equal. Now after that you can see here 12 through is written, which means that all of the circle is cutted from the plate throughly. For that just click on the screen, double click and select the extrude cut command and select the sketch and under end condition choose through all, click on OK. Now you can see all of the four holes is created successfully. Now we are going to draw that area which is in the center and also its thickness is 10 millimeter. Now we will choose the right plane for sketching and set the view to the normal. Now what I have to do is to just see it from the other view how it looks like. Now if I zoom it, then you can see the biggest circle is of R15, which means its diameter is 30 millimeter. Now first of all we will draw a center line like that and we will use it for construction purpose only. After that we will draw a circle and give a dimension of 30 millimeter, and we will draw two lines like that. And now we will make tangent relation between two lines and circles. And now you can see the distance between the edge and the circles is 60 millimeter. Now we will just apply a distance of 60 millimeter under leader. We will select a maximum condition and give it a distance of 60 millimeter. So pick the trim command and remove the extra arcs and lines. Now we have to complete the sketch. For that we just have to place a line between two end points. Now just exit the sketch and extrude it because it's in the center, so we choose the option midplane and set the thickness 10 millimeter. Click on OK. Now center portion is created successfully. Now you can see two more circles here. One of them is of 15 millimeter. First we draw that circle. Just start sketching on that face and place a circle here of 15 millimeter dia. Exit the sketch and extrude cut and choose through all. Click OK. Now again sketch on that face and place a circle like that. Now its diameter you can see here is 22 millimeter and its depth is 5 millimeter only. Now define the circle 22 millimeter and exit the sketch. Select the extrude cut command and under end condition select the blind condition and enter a value of 5 millimeter. Click OK. Now you can see our shape is created successfully. Now after that we can see a rib right here, and also you can see here a rib. First thing is that the rib is in the center. The second thing is that the dimension of that rib is given in that view. From here we can draw the rib. Now look, 2 into 25, it means that two ribs have 25 millimeter dimension. Now also here 2 into 35, it means that two ribs have 35 millimeter dimension. It means only in one view two ribs dimension is shown. So we will draw only one rib and make mirror on the other side. For that we have to front plane for sketching. We just have to draw a simple line like that and give a dimension from here to here is 25 millimeter and from here to here is 35 millimeter. Now our sketch is fully defined. After exiting the sketch, just select the rib command and simply click on OK. Now you can see our geometry is created successfully. Just select the rib and the right plane and click on mirror command. Now you can see the feature is mirrored successfully. Now you can see a impression has been made here, which dimension is given right here. 4 into 3, it means that this dimension is for 4 different sides and its offset from the edges 3 millimeter only. Select that face, select sketch, and after that offset entity and set the value 3 millimeter. Make it reverse. Click on OK. Now we just need the extrude cut depth value, which is given in that view, which is 2.5 millimeter. What I have to do is to just exit the sketch and select the extrude cut command from features, set the value 2.5, click on OK. We will select the extrude cut and the front plane and we will make it mirror. Now select the cut extrude and mirror and select the right plane and make it mirror on the other side. Now you can see the mirror is performed on the other side. Now if we see in that view, we can see that impression is made by simply offset the edge is 5 millimeter, and it is also given that these impressions are through. And now you can see this radius is 16 millimeter. Now just start sketching on that face and offset these edges 5 millimeter only. Now just extend the lines, and after that trim the extra curves and lines. Now you can see our sketch is complete. Now what I have to do is to just exit from the sketch. You can also exit from sketch by double click on the graphics area. You have to select the extrude cut and select the option through all, click on OK. Now just select the extrude cut and the front plane and make it mirrored on the other side. Now you can see feature is mirrored successfully. So that was our 3D model which we create from the 2D drawing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.